multimeter belongs to our basic series dm90, and its model code is dm90e. It is one mini-size manual range multimeter. It has an advantage of portable and cost-effective. Look at the screen. Blue function buttons in the panel. Here is the probe jacks. It is with a laser projector to protect the device. Here is the supporter. That's 3 compartments, and these can be connected with the magnetic ropes. This is NCV sensor and its flashlight. Here are the accessories of dm90e: the multimeter, user menu, probes, gift box. Now I will demonstrate its functions. This is non-contact voltage detection (NCV) function. It can help us to detect the voltage without contact. Here L shows low voltage, H shows high voltage. It is very accurate. If we want to use it in the dark area, short press to turn on the backlight, long press to turn on the flashlight, then turn off. Okay, now we will show you how to measure voltage with this device. We know in Chinese our standard voltage is between 220 to 230. So first we need to adjust the manual range to 600 volt. Then insert the probe properly. Look, very fast response, and it shows 232. This is a normal range, so it is pretty accurate.